Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you 10 best backyard landscaping design ideas and tips to unlock the hidden potential of your backyard outdoor space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by a tranquil haven, a space that reflects your personal style and invites relaxation or entertaining. This is the power of backyard landscaping design. The word backyard transcends its literal definition. It becomes an extension of our living space, a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation, and a canvas for creative expression. Backyard landscaping design breathes life into the space, transforming it into a functional and aesthetically pleasing haven. Backyard landscaping design encompasses the intentional planning and creation of outdoor spaces that are both visually appealing and functional. It involves integrating elements like plants, hardscapes, patios, walkways, retaining walls, water features, and outdoor furniture to achieve a cohesive and inviting environment. The benefits of designing your backyard extend far beyond aesthetics. Here are some compelling reasons to invest in this transformative process. First, increased enjoyment. A well-designed backyard becomes an extension of your living space, offering a place to relax, entertain, and connect with nature. Second, enhanced property value. A thoughtfully landscaped backyard can significantly increase your home's curb appeal and market value. Third, improved environmental impact. Landscaping with native plants can attract valuable pollinators, promote healthier ecosystems, and even help with rainwater management. Fourth, stress reduction and improved well-being. Spending time in nature has proven benefits for mental and physical health. A well-designed backyard provides an opportunity to de-stress and connect with the outdoors. How do I landscape my backyard? Transforming your backyard into your dream oasis involves several crucial steps. 1. Assess your space, measure your yard, note existing features like trees or structures, and consider factors like sun exposure, drainage, and privacy needs. 2. Define your goals. Do you envision a space for family gatherings, a quiet reading nook, or a dedicated vegetable garden? 3. Set a budget. Determine how much you're comfortable spending and allocate funds for plants, hardscaping materials, tools, and professional help if needed. 4. Research and choose a style. Explore different landscaping styles like modern, Mediterranean, or cottagecore and select one that resonates with you and your home's architecture. 5. Develop a plan. Sketch out a basic layout for your desired features, considering functionality and traffic flow. 6. Select plants. Choose plants that thrive in your climate and soil conditions, considering their mature size, maintenance needs, and aesthetic appeal. 7. Install hardscapes. Create walkways, patios, or retaining walls as needed, ensuring proper drainage and stability. 8. Add finishing touches. Incorporate outdoor furniture, lighting, and decorative elements to personalize your space and enhance its functionality. And to complete your inspiration, here these the list of 10 best backyard landscaping design ideas. 1. Create a dedicated seating area. Invest in comfortable outdoor furniture to create an inviting space for relaxation or entertaining. 2. Incorporate water features. Consider adding a small pond, fountain, or bird bath to add visual interest and create a soothing ambience. 3. Utilize vertical space. Employ hanging plants, climbing vines, or vertical gardens to add greenery in small yards. 4. Integrate pathways and stepping stones. Create defined pathways for easy access and add visual interest to your landscape. 5. Implement fire features. Consider a fire pit or outdoor fireplace for warmth and ambience during cooler evenings. 6. Embrace natural materials. Utilize elements like stone, wood, and pebbles to create a rustic or organic feel. 7. Incorporate lighting. Strategically placed lighting can extend the use of your space throughout the evening and enhance safety. 8. Designate a dedicated garden area, whether vegetable or ornamental. A garden adds functionality and visual appeal to your backyard. 9. Create a focal point. This could be a sculpture, water feature, or large planter that draws the eye and adds interest. 10. Embrace your personality. Don't be afraid to add personal touches that reflect your unique style and interests. Transforming your backyard into a captivating oasis requires careful planning, but the rewards are immeasurable. By considering your needs, incorporating these ideas, and seeking professional guidance when necessary, you can create a personalized outdoor haven that reflects your unique style and enhances your enjoyment of your home. Visit the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for more inspiring landscaping ideas and expert advice on creating your dream backyard. Subscribe for regular updates and let us know in the comments below. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you gallery of best backyard landscaping design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.